diagram here shows you a time chart of the glacial times, and we have, starting at the bottom, this is the oldest down here, we have a glacial stage called the Nebraskan. That was the first movement of ice, and it moved down on the west side of the Mississippi area and eventually into Nebraska. There was a break then, and this was a couple of million years old. There was a break, the Nebraskan ice disappeared, and we had an interglacial stage in which the climate was warmer than it is today, probably. And then later on, this is the time scale over here, later on we had an advance of the ice again called the Kansan, and it moved down into this area. Again, an interglacial, the Yarmouth, then a glacial stage, the Illinoisan, another interglacial, in which all the ice disappeared, and then finally the Wisconsin glacial stage. And we are living in the Holocene up in this area here, which may be an interglacial stage, and there may be another glacier. I don't guarantee it, but some people seem to think that that's the case. The point of all this is to acquaint you with some of the deposits of glacial material around here. You may have heard of the Grover gravel. The Grover gravel, named for the little town of Grover out here on Highway 100, is found over large areas in St. Louis County, and it is a gravel made of chert and flint fragments. There's nothing in there that is not silica, and it is believed to be the deposit that was left when the Nebraskan glacier came down. When that disappeared, that glacier disappeared, we had soil formed on top of it, and then later the Kansan glacier came down from the north. And we had some deposits of the Motil and other things. The interglacial soils again, and then another glacial advance. And these deposited what we call till, which is a deposit of all sorts of unsorted rock debris. Clays, sands, silts, boulders, pebbles, everything, jumbled, which is a kind of deposit that a glacier leaves. It is a very distinctive deposit. It has fragments that come from long distances called erratic fragments. Many of the fragments that we see in the till around here came from the Lake Superior region. You can match rock for rock, from granites and various types of rocks that are present today in the northern part of Minnesota and Wisconsin, and even into Canada. And eventually, we had, again, the Illinoisan glacier, the Sangamon glacier, and these up here in the Wisconsin. A couple of things I'd like to have you sort of bear in mind is this area called the Two Creekian. The Two Creek in the area and the Valdarian. These are areas, or layers and times in which we have the Pleistocene vertebrates, the mammoths, the mastodons, the saber-toothed cats, and other animals of Pleistocene age. The skeletons were deposited in this group here. We have the oldest deposits back down here in the Grover gravel. And a number of changes took place in the St. Louis area with regard to the streams, and this is something I'd like to take a few minutes to speak about.